friends, welcome back to my channel. My name's Terry, also known as the Inspired Planner, and today we're going to do a little Tula 12 unboxing. I got a box from Tula 12 and I'm super excited. So we are going to unbox this together. There are some new products in here that I am super excited to share with everybody today. So of course, first thing is the little packing tip card that's in here. So on one side, it says thank you for your order, and then it has a QR code where you can go and look for these videos on how to add inserts, open and refill your pen gem, hang wall calendars, and more. I love we have these cute little sayings now because these make great journal cards, just as a little tip and trick for you. This month is August, so our customer special, when you spend $35 or $39, you can get the sample sticker sheet for $3. So I grabbed one of those. Super cute. Love this. Love that this looks like a little like stop sign almost. We've got the little taxi car down here. So this is kind of a sampler of our new fall collections. The freebie for the month is a bookmark that you can color in, and there are different ones. I believe this one is mushroom, obviously, that I got. And then I got some fun new things for a micro planner. But before I do those, I just want to share this with you as well. So if you are a Perks member with us, you can get this for free with your $50 order. This is a notepad that you can either put in an Excel planner, you can just leave on your desk, or you can put it in one of our desk pad holders. All right, so let's go over here to the new micro products that I got. I'm super excited about this. This is a habit tracker, and this is just so functional. I'm ecstatic about it. So you can put the month in here, and then you can track different habits throughout the month. I think the way I'm thinking about using this is numbering the dots for the days in the month and then coloring them in. Might create a little key that I can do a tip in. So like if it's a water tracker, then it would have a key based on how much water and things like that. So I'm going to be playing with this in the next week or so. So stay tuned for that. I'll show you how I'm going to set this up, but I'm super excited about that. Then I also got a dashboard for my micro. I'm so excited about this. We're going to actually create a dashboard today. And we also have these, what is called a plastic pocketbook. Now, I wasn't sure when I got this if credit cards would fit in here, but oh my goodness, they do. So this is going to be really neat to do something with. I'm thinking maybe this might become a new wallet versus the size medium that I'm currently carrying around, because it will fit better in some of my purses and things like that. So loving this. So this is called the plastic pocketbook for micro, I believe. And then I got the other pattern. So this one is tan check. So we've got two micro covers currently, and the teal and the black you guys have seen. So now I have the tan check, which I am loving also. This will probably be the one I throw in my purse as a wallet if I set it up that way. So let me grab my little micro tote really quickly, because I do want to remind you that we also have the wallet that can fit inside your micro also. So how cute would this be to have the wallet in here and then your little plastics? If you wanted to put cards and things like that in here, you could put, now I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes, but you could put like a little note insert or something in here if you wanted to keep track of like mileage or spending or something, or you could even put a little dashboard in there too. But how compact and cute would this be as a little wallet? I think this would be a lot of fun for sure. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to take these out for now while I consider this week how I'm going to use these, but I wanted to show them to you. And right now we are going to spend some time creating a cute little dashboard for my teal and black, and I'm going to use our coffee deco kit to do that. So let me pop this open really quickly. Now I have not made a dashboard this small yet. but I am not worried about it because I think that it'll be super easy. And these journal cards might just need a tiny bit of a trim, and then they might fit in there perfectly. So we're going to test that out today also, but let me just grab some paper. I don't think I'm going to want that one. Let's take that paper out, and goodness, it's all stuck together. And then I'm going to take these two papers out too. All right, let's get to creating a dashboard really quickly. Sorry about that shaking. I just realized I should probably have my trimmer out here. Now, because I have not actually done one of these before, and I do think that this will work in here really nicely. It just needs to be cut down just a tiny little bit. I am going to test, oh, maybe not. Look, it might just fit in here. And if that's the case, friends, I know exactly what size. Look at that. It fits in there perfectly. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I think that's going to be one side for sure. Let me go ahead and take this back out. So I'm going to measure this really quickly so you guys know exactly what size. So along the bottom, it is 3 inches, and I'm pretty sure it's 4 inches. So it's a 3x4 card is the size that you're going to need for a dashboard for your micro. So this is going to be the front part of my dashboard. I'm not even going to do anything to that because I love that just as it is. But we are going to create another one. So I'm just going to do a little 3x4 cutting of this paper. And I'm just going to line that up. I'm just going to cut the whole strip. Whoops. And let's pop this out real quick so I can line that up. All right. Let's see if I did that pretty well. And I did. Awesome. Now I'm going to go ahead and pick out which one of these that I want to use. And oh, this is tricky. This is one of my favorites, but let me see. There's also some stickers in here. Let me grab this sticker sheet real quick because I might want to do something with the stickers instead. Let me see. And I also have the quote stickers that I was using the other day. And I'm just sitting here going, oh, I might want to use those, but I don't know what I did with them. Oh, here they are. Let's think about that too. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and just rip this a little bit like this. We're going to go ahead and start here with putting some paper down here. And I'm just going to use the back of the first journal card that I'm going to put in there because why not? That just makes it easy. And I'm going to use the stripes on the bottom. Make sure I have that going the right way. Now, when you're using your deco and stuff inside of a dash, you really don't need to use as much adhesive because it's not going anywhere. But as you can see, I still choose to use probably a little bit more than I need to. All right, let's see. Kind of like that one. But I know I really like that one too. So I think, which other one? There's another one in here. Let me see what other one is still in here. Snap it down the bottom. It might be this one that I like to use. Which is on this one? Just a regular one. Okay. I think we're going to put this one like this. And then I'm going to put one of these little banners over here. And I think the one I'm going to put on here is strength. And I'm going to go ahead and do it in the black. So I'm just going to put this over here like this. And then we're going to put this one on. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love it. Look how cute that is. All right, so we've got one side and then we'll have our second side like this. Now we still have 2 more sides to go. So let's cut another little strip. This one, I think I want some of the tan in here though. So let me go ahead and make a 3-inch cut straight down. Get that out of the way. And then we're gonna do the 4-inch cut. Like that. And if I can do this neatly enough, this is the only paper I'm going to need because I'll literally just flip it from side to side. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to stick with the theme of maybe having the stripes on the bottom on one side and do this. Now, I don't know if we're going to be able to do it this way, actually, now that I'm thinking about it, because I feel like it's going to need something holding it together, but the die cut might be the thing that holds it together. So we might be okay with that. Let's see. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and stick with this theme. So let's just do vision and passion and make them consistent. Just because we can, and I think this will be a fun little dashboard theme. Okay, so this one's going to go right here, like that. And I think the hardest part is going to be just trying to keep this together the way I want it. So I'm just going to line this up like this. And I think actually because I ripped it, it's going to be a little bit shorter, but I'm okay with that. And I think I'm going to show you guys a trick really quickly. I think what I'm going to do is take a sticky note and I'm going to get this exactly the way I want it. And then I'm going to put this sticky note over it like that. That way it will keep it together while I am putting my die cut on here. And then just take that up. Perfect. That looks good. And then we're just going to flip it over and choose our next die cut. I think we're just going to use that one. Oh my gosh, I am loving this. It turned out so cute. All right, let's put our dashboard together. So we're going to do coffee a day keeps the grumpy away in the front. So just go ahead and slide open your pocket and then just give it a good little patience, wiggling it in there. It will fit. You just got to give it a little patience. Slide it down with your fingers. Oh my gosh, look how cute that is. All right, and then this one, so we're going to do strength, passion, and then vision will be on the back. So we're just going to go ahead and open that up, slide this one in. Hopefully I measured it right when I did my putting it back together. Now, it would be a little easier if I had put it on a piece of cardstock, but I didn't because I wanted to just use both sides of the paper. So you just got to be a little, if you decide to do that, just be patient with it, but it will go in and it will look adorable. Let's go ahead and put this in my micro. And we are going to slide it around my monthly calendar. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. It's the little things sometimes. Oh my goodness. Look. Oh, I love this so much. I love having dashboards. And now that I have one in my micro, I feel like it's complete. Oh, I love this so much. I'm just going to leave this open for a minute. All right, friends. Well, thank you so much for joining me for my Tula 12 unboxing today and sticking with me while I created my dashboard for my micro. If you have not already liked and subscribed to my channel, I sure would appreciate it if you did. And if you knew somebody that would like this video, please go ahead and share it out. Thank you all so much for being here, and I will see you next time.